Dr. Chaitra, how should teenagers start caring for acne-prone skin without harming themselves? And what is it that they need to use to avoid keeping in term the long-term health of their skin?
Great question. Teenagers today, they read up so much, and a lot of them are already on gadgets, right? They have Instagram accounts, and some of them use VPN to crack a TikTok account, etc. And when they come to me, they have all of this data in their head, and it's like da 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 da, like a back and forth with us. But I always tell them, simple. It's not that hard at all. You don't need to throw an army at tackling acne. Just go to the basics. If you have oily skin, a salicylic acid-based cleanser is what I tell these kids. Otherwise, just use a cleanser. Cleanse that skin. Keep it clean 2 times a day, morning and night. Or whenever you play sports, right after your sports and at night.
Can I interject here? When I was young, I thought washing my face with a lot of soap multiple times in the day would prevent me from getting pimples. So do my athletes think the same thing.
It's the worst thing one can do to themselves.
Can you expand on this point?
The skin is acidic by nature. We have something called the acid mantle, which is...
Acid mantle.
Acid mantle.
So it's like the Earth's crust. There's a mantle on the skin.
Exactly.
Oh.
Just under what you see as the skin, just under the surface, there's an acid mantle. It's a barrier, okay? It's called the hydrolipid barrier. It's made from the water component from the sweat and the oil component from our oil glands. And oil and water don't mix. So there's a seal on our skin. And this maintains the acidity of our skin. It maintains the natural moisturizing factor, or it prevents water loss. It prevents chemicals from getting into the skin. It prevents from things getting absorbed, unnecessary stuff, etc. So when you put soap is an alkali. So it goes back to our chemistry. You take a basic or an alkali, put it to acid, you're neutralizing. If you neutralize your skin, you're going to let everything attack your skin.
So using soap actually enhances or aggravates your acne.
Exactly. Because you're breaking your skin barrier down. The most important thing for a skin is the skin barrier. And the skin barrier is about the oil, it's about the water, and it's about the acidity.
So if you're a teenager in college, it's better to just wash your face in the college with plain water.
Exactly.
And just dab it dry.
That's fine. I'm okay if you just wash it with water and just not rub it, but dab it dry gently.
Why not rub it?
Because when you rub it, it's friction.
Yeah.
And friction causes micro tears in your skin. And again, that'll let the bacteria, virus, fungus, etc.
I wish I met you when I was a teenager, because I would wipe my face like that, thinking
That's
the
what
pimples
people
would
do
go away.
even now. And you'll be amazed. So many parents will tell me, I'm telling my kid, just wash your face with soap and rub it. They don't listen. If they rub it, the oil will go. I'm like, where is it going to go?
So a lot of old wife tales over there.
Yeah. And so I always tell them, look, you have to make an informed decision. And teenage acne, believe it or not, 70% of teenagers today suffer from acne. And there's a study from the Journal of Pediatrics, right, which talks about the mental effect or emotional impact that acne has. More than 60% of teenagers say they don't go to social events because of the acne on their face.
So this is actual study.
Actual study, actual data. 60% of teenagers with acne say it impacts them so much that they actually cut back on their social. I had a patient, she's my co-founder at my skincare company. The way I met her was this. She brought her daughter in to see me, 11-year-old child, beautiful. And she came and told me, my daughter was never an outgoing kid, but she would participate and she was full of smile and happiness and joy. In the last year, I've seen her personality change, and she doesn't smile. She doesn't come out of her room.
Why?
Because she got pimples. They didn't realize why. But when they sat down and had a chat with her, her acne bothered her. And her parents said, it's only 5-6 bumps on her skin. It's normal for you. You're 11 becoming 12. But those 5-6 impacted her so much. So they brought her to me and they were like, we don't want to do anything aggressive. We want to keep it natural, etc. And I was like, look, natural is great, but we'll have to do science-backed skincare here. And so I just put her on skincare. and a monthly cleanup, which is a medical cleanup in the clinic. And 3 months in, she was a lot better. 6 months in, we'd clean it all up with just this much. And now I see her every quarter for her maintenance. And, she's back to this outgoing girl and she's playing instruments. She's got this whole friend circle. She's super social, etc. But that's the impact that can have on the kids. So I always tell parents, do be sensitive, because they'll come and say, look, I had acne, I grew out of it, they'll grow out of it. But the generation has changed, the environment has changed, the society has changed.
Thank you for watching this far. It's been an amazing episode and I'm so grateful to have you till the end. If you like this video, please share this video with your loved ones. Better still, gift me a subscribe, a like, or even a comment and we'll come back to you.